All right, we are about to go whitewater rafting in New Zealand. How you feel, Shumly?
Actually, I don't feel nervous at all. It's my very first time, but you only die once.
I'm terrified. It is the tallest waterfall drop in the world.
Commercially or something.
Commercially operated waterfall drop. And so you drop about 20 feet down in a giant raft.
And you go into the water.
Underwater. So it's going to be an adventure, but we're excited. Here we go.
Brian, what are you most excited about?
Not dying.
Not dying. So this. Oh, look at the first rapid. We are going to.
I was thinking we're so like obsessed with the dying part. We didn't think about like from the
All right,
guys.
we survived. We did it.
We made it alive.
That was an adventure, huh?
It was really cool. I'm glad we did it.
Yeah,
It
was
scary a little bit ish, but then it's over in a flash, really.
It goes so fast, and I got a nice souvenir too from looking. You're not supposed to look when you go over the waterfall, and I looked, and I got the helmet in front of me.
And I drank some water. I think everybody drank some water.
Everybody drinks the water. Yeah. No, it's really cool though. It was a really good time. We'd do it again.
Yeah, come check out Kaituna Cascades in Rotorua. Who's that guy?
Dan.
Dan's
great. Yeah, Irish guy.
He was amazing.
Really
very
funny
easy.
and calming. Yeah. Needed and direct. Yeah. So no, it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
Definitely do it again.